I'll be seeing you, 'cause we don't even wanna talk. And you don't even wanna meet up. You don't even wanna be friends.
Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So we're back today with a new video, and in today's video we're featuring IDM Beauty. Big thank you to IDM Beauty for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today I have these seamless clip-ins. This is in the Kinky straight texture. They are 7 pieces per pack and 120 grams. I have them in the natural color and they are both 24 inches. And today I'm going to show you the easiest, fastest way for a beginner to install clip-ins. So there are a few different ways to install clip-ins, but being that these are so flat and seamless, we're going to go with the traditional method, which requires no braids. You literally just part your hair and you put the clips where you feel needed. So I'm just showing you what these look like. One, I showed you how they look straight out of the pack. Then the other, I show you what they look like after passing the flat iron through it. So I'm going to start with the nape area, and you just use whatever clip fits that part of your head best. So for the back, I always go with the 2 clip in. So it has 2 clips on this weft. So as you can see, it's super flat and seamless. This is going to look so natural. They do have the traditional ones, which are a classic weft, but I don't understand why you would want to do that when they have seamless clip-ins. So another thing I like is that you can achieve multiple styles. So here I'm just going to show you in a middle part, center part, which is very easy, and anyone can do this no matter what length hair you have. And then I'm going to show you how to wear your clip-ins in a high ponytail, because you know it is summertime and it's getting real hot. So if you want to throw these up while you run errands, go to the gym, or whatever, if you just want to wear your hair up that day, I'll show you how to do that later in this video. But here I'm just going to continue to part my hair and add these clips in. I was able to fit all 14 pieces. So if you're somebody that likes a fuller look, I highly suggest going with 2 packs of these clip-ins. If you already have thick hair and you just really want some length, I still would suggest going with 2, because you don't want to notice the difference in the length and density throughout your hair. So these were super crimped when I received them. It had that nice kinky straight crimpy look to it, but what I can say is this is a softer kinky straight hair. So after passing the flat iron through it, I was able to get this hair nice and straight for the most part. My tip to getting all the crimps out of the hair is you're going to want to wash it, blow dry it, and then flat iron it. That has worked best for me when trying to remove all of the crimps. But here I'm just getting to the very top, and I do try to place these clips very high up just so you can't see like any short pieces or flyaways when it comes to the top of my hair. And I want to make sure I leave enough out to cover the wefts. So this color was actually spot on. This is the natural black, and they do have a variety of colors as well as textures. So definitely check the link down in the description box. These are available on Amazon, so it's a no hassle delivery. And if you have Prime, you can get them in less than 2 days. Also, if I have a discount code, that will be down below in the description box as well as the comment section. So here we're just going to finish up this middle part look, and then I'm going to jump ahead and show you how to achieve a high ponytail. Okay, so this is the finished look and I'm absolutely obsessed. It's so full and it looks so natural. Look how pretty that is. I love this. Yes. So now we're going to move on to the ponytail. Basically, I'm going to take my clips. I am starting with the 2 clip piece and I'm putting it in the opposite direction. So the hair is going to be facing up. I'm going to continue to do that for the next 2 or 3 pieces. Everything will be clipped up and I will pull the hair up in between each clip in just to show you how it's still seamless and flat. See that? So I'm going to keep going till I get to about the middle crown and then I will start to face the pieces in the opposite direction. So my first 3 to 4 pieces in the back, the hair is going upward and then I'm going to move on to the front and put the pieces facing down like you traditionally would. That way when they meet in the middle for the ponytail, everything is still laying flat and will lay seamlessly. So this I love. I honestly like to do this more so when the hair is not flat ironed because it gives more of like a natural look. When the hair is straight, it looks a little different. I prefer like a low ponytail when my hair is straight. But I had to show you this because I haven't done a ponytail with clip-ins in like 2 years, like a video at least. I haven't done it in a while. So now we're going to flip everything up and that's what it's giving. I had to take care of these edges because they look crazy. First, I started to swoop and then I hated the swoop. So then I just ended up slicking everything back. But as you can see, you can also get a high bun with this. So there's quite a few different styles you can do with this as well as curl this hair. So once again, all links will be down below. Shout out to IDN for sponsoring today's video and I will see you beauties in the next one. Bye.